We're also watching the price of oil this morning. Crude oil under pressure as a new report from the Energy Information Administration says American oil production hit a production record in the month of March, 10.47 million barrels a day. Joining us right now is OPIS chief oil analyst Tom Kloza. Tom, good to see you.
Hi, nice to be here, Maria.
Your thoughts on what has taken place in terms of the price of oil? We got all the way up above 70, and now here we are back to 66. What do you make of this record output and the pricing?
Well, I don't think you can say the coast is clear. I think that the world is probably going to be about 750,000 to 1 million barrels a day short in the next 100 days or so. So U.S. output's going to go up. We're going to clear 11 million barrels a day probably in June, and that's about twice as much as we saw back in, well, let's say 2011. So it's up, and away for U.S. production.
Yeah, Tom, it's Kevin Kelly here, and I think you're hitting the nail on the head when you're talking about U.S. production, because we've become energy independent, so much so that we're producing more now per day than we did in the 70s in the Nixon administration. We're also exporting over 1 million barrels of oil. We've never done that before. It's a relatively new phenomenon, but what I'm looking at is really the OPEC side of the situation, as well as what's going on with the Russians. So you had them talk about how they're going to curtail output, but now they're talking about coming on with more output, selling it. I think this is a critical time, especially for the Saudis, as they want to have Aramco become public. Is that going to lay into an underlying bid for a barrel of oil? They needed to trade above 60. Will they curtail some of their output in order to support oil prices here?
Well, they've actually over-curtailed is what's happened. You've had compliance running 120, 130%. So the question is, will the Saudis and will Russia put some more oil on the market in the second half of this year? My hunch is that they are, but they're going to try to manage it and manage the price. So we still think that, you know, there's a possibility for $80 Brent prices this summer, and we still think we could have some runaway gasoline prices. And then next year, the problem is really very, very high prices for diesel and jet fuel as we're facing a fuel shift for all the vessels that travel on the high seas in January 2020.
I almost called you Trump, Tom. It's David McDowell. My question is about the president, though. With the higher gasoline prices this summer, heading into the midterms, do you think the president will release oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, and would it help? I think it's about 650 million barrels in the SPR.
Yeah, and I think he might. I think that it makes sense to release oil when the price is very high. I don't think we're going to be at $80 a barrel in 2019 or 2020 without some sort of geopolitical event. So you could actually release it now and buy it back a year later at a cheaper price. And my hunch is he's got advisors that are telling him, look, you don't want to see prices run away because you're going to get blamed. Obama got blamed unfairly, and Trump will get blamed unfairly if prices continue to rise.
What about gasoline and the consumer side of things? We're all focused on the consumer. We got the jobs number out in about an hour. Gasoline, $2.96 a gallon for the national average. Do you see this going up with the busy summer driving season coming up? And does that cut into consumers' ability to spend?
Yeah, they're going to have less to spend this summer, probably about $225 per family or so. But they are going to drive as much. They're just not going to spend as much, whether it's movie theaters, restaurants, inside the convenience store or whatever. It's going to be an expensive summer by the standards of the last 3 years. But if you go back to 2011 through 2014, it was $3.50 a gallon. So it'll be inexpensive by those standards.
All right, we'll leave it there. Tom, good to see you always. Thank you.
Thanks.
Tom Kloza joining us there.
Happy hurricane season.
Happy hurricane season. Yeah, happy National Donut Day also.